Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the Face ID with a mask on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. So in order to use Face ID with the mask on, we can go to the settings, scroll down and go to Face ID and passcode. Of course, you will need to enter your passcode. And now over here, you should be able to find Face ID with a mask. So if you press this option, if you tap on the switcher to turn it on, you will see the message about the Face ID with a mask. Of course, you can read it over here. And then you can choose to use Face ID with a mask. So let's go over here. Then we have this information, how to set up Face ID. First, position your face in the camera frame. So this is pretty standard. So let's get started. Now let's position the face within the frame. And once you scan your face, the Face ID should be now set up. Of course, if you use glasses, then over here at the bottom, you should also have the option to add glasses. So you can then once again scan your face for the Face ID with your glasses on, because if you do this once or for the second time, then you will be asked to remove your glasses. All right, nevertheless, press done, and there we go. We can see that we have even 2 pairs of glasses added. So if you use more than 1 glasses, then you can easily set it up over here. You can also press add glasses in order to add more of them. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.